Peace and welcome to Collective Light. My name is Sharice Lovely and I will be guiding you today through a requested Moon Salutation. So I want to just speak out gratitude for the recommendation in the first place because it definitely gives me an intention and something to work on and provide for you, something that you're looking for. So we'll go ahead and get started right into this Moon Salutation flow. All you need is yourself and your mat. For today, you're more than welcome to grab at least one block. However, if you want some more support between you and the ground. So for our Moon Salutation, you begin with your mat long ways, and we'll stand at the left side of our mat to begin. Bring your feet hips width distance apart. You can lift up onto your heels or onto your toes. Lift your heels and then come down onto your heels. Now lift up your toes and release your toes down. Bring your hands to your heart center. Sway gently forward and back, maybe with your eyes closed or a soft gaze in front of you. You maybe sway from side to side. Just notice your midline, or that energetic line that separates your left and right. Find that center, your center here. And when you feel as though you found it, come to stillness. Relax your shoulders. Relax your breath. Inhale, extend both arms to the sky, palms stay together here. And exhale, side bend over to the left side of your mat. Really bump that right hip forward, draw your right shoulder back, open up your heart towards the front. Inhale to come back through center, palms stay together. Exhale, side bend over to the right side. Gently bump that left hip to the side as you open your chest forward. Continue to press firmly into both feet here. Inhale, press back through center. And exhale, step that right foot out. Heels and toes out. Bend into your knees. Bend your elbows in towards your sides, goddess pose here. This being our first goddess pose, feel free to sway from side to side. Maybe open up the hips here. Find fluidity in your flow. Move like the moon that directs the waters of this earth. You are made of that same water here. Find your flow. And come to stillness in your goddess pose. Inhale, straighten your legs. Bring your arms to a T. Palms press towards the mat. And then exhale, point your left toes towards the left side of your mat. Right toes point forward, preparing for triangle pose. Inhale to bump your right hip back. Reach your left arm forward. Reach as far as you can. Reach, keep on going. Reach until you get to that point where you cannot reach anymore. TikTok your hands to 12 and 6. Triangle pose. Place that left palm onto your shin, or option to place it on a block behind that front leg. Extend your right arm to the sky. You can gaze down at that front toe or gaze through your fingertips to the sky. Find what feels good for you today in your neck. Listen to your body. Together on our inhale, gaze down towards that front foot, that left foot. And exhale, swing your right arm forward, bend your right knee down. Low lunge, relax your back toes onto the mat. Inhale, extend your arms to the sky, palms come together overhead. Exhale, sink your hips towards the earth. Gaze comes to the sky for a low crescent lunge. Hold and breathe. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. If you need to walk that front foot forward to go deeper into the hips, make any adjustments throughout that feel good for you. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, plant your palms to the inside of that front foot. Bring your left toes to face towards the long edge of your mat and flex your right toes towards your face for Skandasana side lunge. So here you can also grab your block and place it underneath your palms here to bring the ground closer. Or you can add a little more of a challenge by coming to your lotus mudra. Bring your pinkies together, draw them together, and open your palms wide. All fingertips extended as though you're creating a lotus flower. Bring that to your heart center. Lift your chest. Wherever you are, lift your chest. Spine is long. Flex your right toes towards your face. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale to plant your palm to the earth or onto your block. Use your inhale to lift up through back to straight legs, heels and toes out. Reach your arms to a T. Then bring those left toes to the long edge of your mat, right toes towards the right side of your mat. Prepare for triangle on the other side. Inhale, bump your left hip back. Reach your right arm as far forward to reach. Keep reaching, keep reaching until you come to your point where you tick-tock your hands to 12 and 6. That palm is light against your shin here. Press firmly into both feet. Remember, your gaze can be at the sky or down at that front toe here. Deep breaths in, really roll that top shoulder back. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, roll that left arm forward so you can bend your front knee, bend that back knee. Come into your low lunge on the other side. Use your inhale to extend your arms overhead. Palms come together. Maybe that front foot scoots forward. In order to exhale, bend deeper into your hips. Add a gentle back bend as you gaze up and back. Relax your shoulders. Deep breaths. Good. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, plant your palms to the inside of that front foot. Skandasana side lunge. So point your toes the same direction as where your front bent knee will be. And then flex your other toes towards your face. Palms come down onto your block. Or create that lotus mudra here and bring it to your heart center. Wherever you are, long, straight spine. Do your best to stand tall. Breathe. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. One more deep breath in here. Exhale to plant your palms down, heels and toes out. Lift up into your goddess pose. Bend your knees, bend your elbows in towards your sides. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, straighten your legs, straighten your arms, and step to the right side of your mat. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky, palms come together. Exhale, side bend to the right side of your mat. Open up your chest towards the front. Inhale to come back through center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, reach back through center. And exhale, step back out into your goddess pose. Bend your knees, bend your elbows in towards your sides. Take a deep breath in right here. Exhale, bend a little bit deeper into your knees. Good. One more breath like that. Deep inhale. Exhale, bend a little bit deeper. Nice job. Inhale, straighten those legs. Arms come to a T. Left toes come towards the long edge of your mat. Right toes towards the front. Triangle pose. Inhale, reach as far forward as you can with that right arm. And exhale, create that T shape with your arms. Chest is lifted. Breathe. Bring your gaze down to that front foot. Deep breath in. Exhale to swing that left arm forward. Low lunge. Bring that back leg down. Inhale, extend your palms overhead. Exhale, crescent low lunge. Deep breath here. Exhale to release. Inhale. Exhale, plant your palm to the inside of your foot. Skandasana. Readjust those toes. Bend your knee. Flex your toes towards your face. Stay lifted in the chest. Option to come to that lotus mudra. Breathe. Maybe find one point of focus that is not moving to aid in that balance challenge. And inhale. Exhale, release your mudra. Come down onto your palms. Breathe in to lift up through center. And exhale, bend into that left knee. Flex your right toes to your face. Go straight to Skandasana on the other side. Option to bring those pinky sides together. Fingertips open wide. Lotus mudra. Breathe. Inhale here. Exhale, plant your palms. Adjust that back knee first to face towards the left side of your mat. Bend your left knee forward, low lunge. Inhale, extend your arms to the sky. Exhale, sink your hips and shine your heart forward. Breathe deep here. Inhale. Exhale, bring your palms back to the inside of your front foot. Come through to center, straighten your legs, heels in, toes out, arms to a T. Then bring those right toes forward, left toes to the left side of your mat. Triangle pose. Use your inhale to reach forward. Exhale to tick-tock your arms. Gaze comes to the sky or down at that front foot. Breathe here. On your inhale, look towards the top of your hand, that top hand, and exhale to rise. Come through to goddess pose. Bend your knees, bend your elbows. Deep breath in. Exhale, bend a little deeper. Inhale, straighten your legs, open your arms to a T. Exhale, step to the left side of your mat. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky, palms come together. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bring your hands back to heart. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And bring your arms by your sides, roll into your shoulders. Both directions, forward and back. Make these as big or as small as you need here. And we'll end together here in our child's pose. Bring your big toes to touch. Bring your big toes to touch. Knees come as wide as the mat. Walk your palms forward and place your forehead down onto the mat. Deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Take one more breath just like that. And seal your lips, come to your natural breath, your foundational breath. Stay here as long as you need. Give thanks to the moon, the light in the darkness, and remind yourself to always be the light in your own darkness. And allow yoga to be a tool to help build and rekindle that light with each practice. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll leave you here, but listen to yourself, listen to your body, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Ache. Namaste.